to the completion of the syndrome. So, there are two phases. Unang phase is saprogenesis phase, and the second one is pathogenesis phase. Saprogenesis phase is the phase when pathogens lay dormant in the absence of host. So, ang saprogenesis is nag-attack na ang pathogen sa host. So, without the presence of host, pwede siya kumbaga, ang naghihiro pa man lang is ang pathogen. Then parang sa host. So, ang pathogenesis phase is when the pathogen interacts with the host that includes inoculation, colonization, reproduction, and dispersal. So, disease will develop if only the pathogen and the host interacts during the pathogenesis phase. Ang source of inoculum is plant debris, soil, or field. Another one is transplant, seed, tuber, propagative organ. So the next slide is all about inoculation.
Inoculation is a part of the cycle. This is the initial contact between pathogen and the host. So, ang inoculum, any parts of the plant available for infection. So, yung mga bacteria na pwede magdulot ng sakit sa mga halaman. Tapos, ang infection source naman is pathogen or parts of the pathogen disseminate to infect the host. So, yun yung mga pathogen na pwede magdulot ng sakit sa mga halaman na may butas o may sugat. So, types of inoculum: primary inoculum and secondary inoculum. Primary inoculum released at the end of this cycle survives unfavorable condition, initiate infection at start of season. So, ini yung mga pathogen na nabubuhay sa mga tagtuyot at taglamig na panahon na maaaring tumalat sa mga tinanim. Ang secondary inoculum naman produced within the season after successful primary infection. So, ini ang mga pathogen na ay mga spores na alis sa fungi na pwedeng kumalat sa mga halaman. Penetration interest occurs when pathogen enters the host. Involves breaking the physical barrier between host and pathogen. Pathogen intercellular areas of the plant. So, may duwang types ang penetration index. So, ang isa passive and active. Ang passive is carried by the film of water. Ang active naman direct participation in process.
Nabasa ko lang. Ay ko na yan. Basa ko lang yan. Mas kailan na daw kasi nagbasa na kami.
Spread of pathogens different rates and extends depending on the pathogen. Some inject only on subluxual area, some only on Colonization. Number 1 is pathogen moves from cell to cell, and number 2 is pathogen carried by cell. Duration of
Ako yan. Ako yan. Wait lang. Sa ano, sa additional na lang. Ay, additional. Pakita mo like Pakita mo na. Wait lang. Ako naman ang nagpipiti. Ako na lang. Na. Ako naman si Jo Caresa. Ano, like ka. Like ka.
dissemination is the spread or transport of the virus from a view or inocula of pathogens over short or long distance. Ang active mode of propagule via pathogens old when passive such as air and insects. Ang agent ng dissemination is the air. The air, example is water droplets, rain splash, dust, soil run by wind. So, ang air, transport siya by wind. While ang water, ang mga rainwater, tapos ang irrigation, ang sa dissemination. Tapos, ang number 3, ang vectors. Ang vectors, pangtulong nag-distribute ng dissemination. Ang example kanya is insects, mice, animals, fungi, and zoothers. Ang seeds, pag nag-transplant naman siya, tapos by bad wood, tapos nursery stock. Pang-last is human varies efficient vectors over short or long distance. And the last is survival of saprogenetics.
Ano may ibabaka pa ng daan
Last
bakit?
cycle ng
Garang bakit?
seed.
Tapos,
Ang saprogenetics over seasoning or pathogens and absence of the host of unprotected